Welcome to the second video of Cyber Veda course. What is direct response marketing? This is fundamental because there are so many different acronyms in terms and even a full frame of mind around this industry. And you know, direct response marketing strategies on daily basis you would be coming across in your daily life, but you don't recognize it or you don't identify it. So let me walk you through the step-by-step procedure on my computer screen, show you live examples what is direct response marketing, and you really have to understand it before we can start creating offers. So let's hop into my screen now. Alright, welcome to my screen. We are doing this course really fun. Why? Because we are going to talk about direct response marketing. I'm not going to take a lot of time. I'm just going to give you a brief information what we are going to do in direct response marketing. Okay, so many people would be taking marketing in different ways. Like when it comes to traditional marketing, salesperson would be going to door and he communicate with the customer face to face. If interested, he would be making a sale. Like if the customer is interested to buy this product, he would be making a sale. When it comes to marketing, people come to you. Okay, when it, suppose say you promote a product by the source of digital marketing. Okay, people come to you. Okay, so here what happens is like you are attracting people, and when it comes to direct response marketing, not only masses of people come to you, we need to measure that people. Okay, if we measure that people, we would be making some sense. If not, just by promoting it through online, nothing is going to happen. Okay, we need to measure that people. So here comes direct response marketing. So I'm going to take a big brand and a small product. I'm going to differentiate between these two products and show you how direct response marketing would be working. Let's take an example of a big brand. How do they market? Okay, when it comes to digital marketing, you can see the creative. Okay, how cool it looks, and the messages what they use on their creative. Together we can. So what happens alternately, like you can notice here, like you don't find any call to action. Okay, asking you to buy from here, anything. You won't be finding any call to actions into their marketing strategies. Okay, what they do is like they just give you some information, or they just provide you some copywriting kind of headlines where you get impressed and you directly go and get this product. Okay, so this is how digital marketing would be working. And when it comes to direct response marketing, I'm going to give you a good example now. You would be coming across with a good example how direct response marketing would be working. Now let's get into a good example of direct response marketing. So I remember a product called Custom Keto Diet. So let me check whether this product is available or not. Okay, this is an article about Custom Keto Diet, and let me check. See, here is an official website. Now here you can find the differences. Okay, so after watching this video, I'm really impressed, and I would like to buy this product. I would like to know much about this product. So I'm going to click on get your Custom Keto Diet, and what happens here is like they don't divert me directly to the sales page. Okay, they don't directly divert me to the sales page. They are asking me to make a decision on this page. While when it comes to Adidas, here you alternately make a decision once you come across the advertisements or the creatives. But here on this website, they are asking me to make a decision. So let's just check how this process would be working. Okay, so I'm going to click on mail, and
somewhat active, so I would be somewhat active. When it comes to meat, I eat chicken, fish next, and when it comes to veggies, broccoli, cauliflower, avocado, sorry. So let me go with some samples. Age 29, 172, weight around 74 kgs, and my target weight is 64 kgs, and I click on continue. Boom. So once I click on continue, I've landed on the final page. Okay, so what happens here is like they have created a Spark. Okay, they have created a Spark, their own route map, so that once the customer started answering their questionnaire, we or the customer get diverted to the sales page. Okay, so once I'm done with the questionnaires, so I've got a sample answer sheet from them. Okay, what are the requirements I need to do to gain that weight. Okay, daily calories, you can see they've given some kind of statistics, fats, daily carbs, so everything is given by them. And also for the diet plan, they're asking us to click here. So once I click here, what happens, they alternately divert me to the sales page. So once I click on get it now, see what happens. They're asking me to enter the first name, okay, and the email address. So I would be giving a sample email address. So when I click on get your custom keto diet, let's see what happens. Boom. See, they have diverted me to the sales page. So here they're following a process called direct response marketing. When we talk about the two different marketing strategies, when it comes to Adidas, they are also following marketing strategies, a digital marketing strategy, just by posting their content and their creatives. So what happens here is we are making a decision once we come across their advertisement. Okay, but here in this small product called Custom Keto Diet, this company is asking us to make a decision. Okay, by differentiating with a questionnaire section, or there are different ways of direct response marketing. I'm going to explain it in the future sessions, but I've shown you an example how they have created or how they have diverted me to a sales page. Okay,
So this is one of the best example of direct response marketing. And you know, not only this person, or you can even promote the same custom keto diet, okay, and you can even earn $37 for sure for one sale. Okay, if you make one sale, then you would be surely earning $37. So apart from this, we are having lot many different strategies with us that we are going to discuss it in our further sessions. But before that, if you are really interested to learn more about digital marketing and affiliate marketing, we have a community with us. Okay, we have an closed community with us. If you are interested, then you can please join our community. We have limited seats of around 100 subscribers. Okay, you can find the link in the description, the first link. Go click that and join, get subscribed, and as a bonus you will be getting my own ebook. Okay, you can go check that ebook about the business structure. And if you're interested, then you can join our community. Our team would be following up, and it's up to you. You would be getting a 100% better content in my channel over here. You can please subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you won't be missing any notification next time from our end. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching, and I would like to give you a bonus. Okay, on each and every video there would be a bonus at the end. Now the cryptocurrency market is pretty high. You can earn lot much making use of these cryptocurrencies. So one of the cryptocurrency called BAT, okay, BAT. The value of one BAT is around 1.34 USD. So from 2 days, I've recently downloaded a browser called Brave browser. Okay, you can just check, go Google it, Brave browser, and it's quite good. What the specialty over here is, the trackers and the ads are blocked completely. Okay, here we get paid for viewing advertisements. Okay, there would be a small notification over here, small ad notification. Okay, once you get hit with an advertisement, you get paid in the form of BAT. Okay, once you exchange it on the day, what would be the BAT rate, you would be getting that currency to your wallet. Okay, so I request you to download Brave browser instead of using Chrome or any other browser. They are not going to pay us back for viewing advertisements or browsing on internet, but Brave browser is going to pay us for surfing on the internet as well as for viewing advertisements on Brave browser. So this is one of my bonus step, so I request you to download it. And thank you for watching this video till the end. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye, take care.